summer ngayon. Pero I don't know bakit. Parang ang dilim. Makulimlim. Okay guys, later na lang ulit. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Making my tea. So I normally put like 1 teaspoon and a half. That's it. And then hello, yeah. Hi guys. Init. So let's go to wait lang. Kailangan kong ibalik ko sa Dubai Mall. Kasi yung size resibo. Guys. So dito tayo sa Market Town Station. Happy Sunday guys. Pang notebook. Ayan, perfect. Ano naman? Ayan, I am using for more than 2 months now. Let's do what's in my bag. So first, ang aking car keys. And then next, aking old cellphone. Guys, mga ilang years na to? 6 years na ata ito sa akin. Si Papa. My father and me. So yeah, mga tagal na to. 6S plus. Ayan. So mga more than 6 years na yan. And then my glasses. My sunglasses, guys. Next, my hair clip. And then another hair clip. And then ito din, vintage ko din ito, wallet. Sa Japan ko rin ito nabili. So I have few coins. So guys, ang ganda niya din. Ewan ko kung anong leather to, pero tawag sa ganun yung fabric. So ayan siya. Kita ko sa inyo. Aking paboritong part ng aking wallet is my son. Yung panganay ko si Ken. Cute. Yep. And meron din ako yung sa ko pang mga dalawa kong but I'm not sure kung kasi hindi yun nakalaminate yan. Sabi ko na Ayan. Sige yan. Yung bunso ko, walang picture sa akin eh. Next time, kuha ako ng baby picture niya. And then next, aking card case. Ang tagal na rin ito. Alam mo na gano'n. Wala pang varnish pala. Wala pa. So, meron siya dito. Pero non-stop ko ito ginamit. Kasi never ako... pinalitan ko pala pero I'll always come back to this. Yan siya guys. And then next, ang dumi naman. Ito may small makeup pouch. This one nabili ko to sa Mumuso. Yeah. Tapos, yung binilang ko yung kapatid ko ng yung malaki nito. So, pareho kami ng design. Yung pinili ko yung ito. Kasi pag nagpapalit ako ng bag, minsan, ito na lang yung binibit-bit ko from this big bag. Tapos, ito na lang yung ililipat ko. So, I have here lipstick from Tom Ford. Ito siya. Swatch ko pala. Yan siya guys. So, yung gamit ko ngayon is YSL. Nasa bahay. Hindi pa na siya binitbit. And then, my MAC foundation powder. Ayan. And then, my small perfume. And then next, this one. Oh my God. Kita ko pa ba ito? Ano ko rin to eh. Parang medicine bag ko to pero more on nagiging siya, makeup pouch din. So first, ito pala. Yung ginamit ko dito. This is also from Miniso. Siya guys. And then next, ito yung hand cream na free nung seller sa Japan. Ito na itong ginamit. So, ito yung aking oil, hair oil from Kiehl's. And then next, of course, meron na naman akong lipstick dito. This one also is from NARS. Medyo dark brown siya. Ayan siya guys. And then next, syempre meron akong pang shoulder pain, muscle pain, lahat. Meron naman akong hip. And then strep seals, mga wet tissue. I have Pulka tea. I have peppermint tea. I have Panadol. Another Panadol. I have Pulka tea. And then I need to consume this. Ito siya. Peppermint tea. I have decaf coffee. I have another hand cream. And then I have TikTok. I have this Stabilo tawag ko dito eh. So highlighter. And then I have my tawag dito, cutter. And then some coins. And then that's it. Oh, I need to clean this. And the next, and then I have tissue, peppermint tea, ano to, coffee, Starbucks coffee, lipstick here. Ito, naging paborito ko na to. Si Inglot. Yan. Parang same siya nung NARS, pero not really. Hindi even tell, pero ito parang darker. This one. And then I have this gloss. Then itong gloss, and ito rin yung ano. Pumunta ako sa dentist ko, binigyan niya ako ng ito. Sabi niya, you need to buy this daw for the gum. Tsaka toothpaste. Toothpaste ko eh. And I have napkin. Kakalat yan. And tissue na hindi pa gamit. And then sugar. Brown sugar sa Costa. Brown sugar sa Nero. I have Pond's. Ano guys, pero sa packet, let's see. Ito yung ano. Yung binili ko tong bag, may kasama siyang ganito. Dito, na parang care card. And dito sa kabilang packet. But I got paluto discount. Binigyan nila ako nito. Dalawa siya. May expiry ba ito? And then card key. Tapos yung mga gusto kong i-check pag pumunta ako sa Sephora. Ay, hindi ko pa ito nabigay kay Papa. Oh my goodness. Ito pala yung pinapagawa niya sa akin. Oh no. Okay. And coins. And that's it. Yun. Yun lang. So, I need to clean this with wet wipes. And ito pa pala. Ito yung glass. Ito yung nilalagay ko sa top niya. Kasi open lang siya. Hindi ko siya close. Hindi ko siya ma-close kasi nga wala nang space. I mean, nagiging ano siya. Tingnan mo pag kinlose mo. See? Hindi siya. So, yan malalagay. So, this one is still in good condition, guys. Ayun. Although yung ano niya, yung leather talaga yan. Kasi nga, vernish, ganyan daw talaga. Yung parang meron siyang tawag sa gano'n, faded. Pero yung ano niya, yung ganito niya, yung patina niya, yan siya. Ganda. Parang the more you use, mas maganda siya. Anyway. Tapos ito naman niya, meron ito gold. Super gold pa siya. Tapos siyang tarnish. So yun lang guys. Alisin ko lang lahat to. Thank you guys for watching. Alisin ko lang, and also my tea is already cold. Okay guys, bye. Bye guys. Hey guys.
There's
Let's
not
go
much
to
to do
Dubai.
when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
These are the Lululemons which I ordered last night. So, delivery is really quick. And now 500 ml I think. Yeah. So, this one. Ito yung mini pouch nila. Pouch. Marami din siyang mga. So, this one. Ito siya. Parang siyang pearly white. The one I'm telling na hindi na kasi scrunchies niya. Nice. Parang siyang rainbow. Kasi, actually ito okay naman to. Wala ko sa Amazon. Ang problema. Manipis yung hair ko, diba? So, tingnan mo naman. Nauuhulog siya. So, this one will not. Let's see. Pero sa Ted Baker, meron silang collection. Meron silang collection option. Last time, so, pinita po siya sa Dubai nila. Pero this one, wala silang ganun. Wala silang ganun option. So, tingnan guys. Ito na-receive ko kanina lang. So, gusto ko siyang handa. Just to make sure everything is okay. Ayan. Guys, ito pala yung sinasabi ko. Pendant. This one I get from ano nga to? Japan. So this is 1.2 karat of diamond. Ayan siya. So medyo may pagka brown, yellowish yung bato niya. Pero I don't mind. Lang guys, bye.
There's
Where
not
do you
much
pick
to
up?
do when all I can
It's okay
is
lang.
thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would.
Saan namin si Ate Bella? Biglang lumipat siya agad dito. At kasi cellphone na tayo dito.
I would.
Ayan, kasi natin dapat dito.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.